Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Concur Expense, SAP, Review My Usage Experience. Concur Expense, SAP, Review My Usage Experience offers expense report management and approval functionality within the SAP ecosystem. It's primarily aimed at businesses using SAP software, particularly those needing streamlined expense tracking and reimbursement processes. Key features likely include expense submission, approval workflows, and reporting capabilities. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Concur Expense boasts a strong reputation within the enterprise software space. Its integration with SAP is a major selling point, offering seamless workflow for companies already invested in the SAP ecosystem. Their website mentions robust security features. While pricing isn't publicly available without contacting sales, it's likely tailored to individual business needs and volume. Availability is dependent on existing SAP infrastructure. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Concur Expense, SAP, Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well documented, and I was able to connect my existing SAP credentials within minutes. Navigating the interface was initially a little daunting, given the sheer number of features, but after spending an hour or so familiarizing myself with the dashboard, it became intuitive. I particularly appreciated the ability to easily categorize expenses and attach receipts. The reporting features are excellent. Generating summaries and visualizing spending trends was straightforward. The system performed flawlessly throughout my testing. There were no glitches or slowdowns. I had a quick question about a specific policy, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how customizable the workflows are. You can tailor the approval process to meet your company's specific needs. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve initially. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for configuring different approval routes. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Concur Expense. It's a powerful tool, and once you understand its capabilities, it significantly simplifies expense management. That's my overview of Concur Expense, SAP, Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.